In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change decimal places in Excel using number formatting. Let's get started by opening the Excel file you want to work with. Once your spreadsheet is open, first take a moment to locate the cells that contain the numbers you want to adjust. These could be prices, percentages, measurements, or any kind of numeric data. It's important to be clear about which cells you're changing, because formatting affects how the values look, and in some cases, how they're interpreted in formulas. Next, click and drag to select those cells. You can select a single cell, a whole column, or even an entire table, depending on what you need. If your numbers are spread out, you can hold down the Control key while clicking each cell or range you want to include. This ensures that every selected value will get the same decimal formatting in one go, keeping your sheet consistent and easier to read. With your cells selected, look toward the top of Excel, on the Home tab. In the Number group, you'll see the main area that controls how your values are displayed. Here you can quickly apply common formats like General, Number, Currency, Percentage, and more. If you just need a simple tweak, this group is usually the fastest place to work. Now, to change decimal places directly, find the Increase Decimal and Decrease Decimal buttons in that same number group. They look like small icons with zeros and arrows pointing left or right. With your cells still highlighted, click the Increase Decimal button to add more decimal places. One at a time, each click reveals another digit to the right of the decimal. If you want fewer decimal places, click the Decrease Decimal button. Excel will round the displayed value to match the number of decimal places you choose. If you need more precise control over formatting, such as setting an exact number of decimal places for all selected cells, you can open the Format Cells dialog. Do this by clicking the small arrow in the corner of the number group, or by right-clicking your selection and choosing Format Cells. In the dialog, go to the Number tab. Select a category like Number, Currency, or Percentage. Then type the exact number of decimal places you want. When you click OK, all selected values will update instantly. Remember, you're only changing how the numbers are displayed, not the underlying values. This lets you keep your data accurate while presenting it in a clean, professional way that's easier to read and share.